Hello! I wanted to give you a free preset today and show you how to use it and how to tweak it as well. And this preset is for Lightroom version 6 or Lightroom Classic, and it's one preset that comes with my brand new preset pack, the Autumn pack, and you can get 20% off of that now with the coupon code FALL20, and that coupon code also applies to our other preset packs that we have in our store. Let's get into it. So I have this fall photo shoot that I did with my daughter and her friend, and it kind of has a fall vibe, but I wanted to punch up the colors a bit, and so I made Make It Fall preset. And you can see it brightens up all of the yellow and orange tones and gives it an overall warm mood that I think works really well with this photo and other fall photos. Now, that's good. Presets, none of them work perfectly on every single photo. So let's get into how you tweak it to make it work for you. First of all, if your photo is warm, really warm to begin with, this preset will cool it down. If it's super cool, you might have to warm it up. So we can warm this one up a little bit more to fit my taste. I also think that their faces are in shadow, so I'm going to raise the exposure to expose their faces properly. And then I'll select a radial filter, and I'm going to put that around their faces and press O so you can see the mask and see everything that's selected within that radial filter. Now I'm selecting my brush, and it has a plus sign in the middle. I want to actually press Alt on my keyboard to make that a negative sign, and then I can select everything that I want to be brightened in the photo. I'm doing it pretty quickly. Usually I use a Wacom tablet and take my time, but I'm rushing for the sake of your attention span here. So now I'll press O to get rid of that mask so I can see how I'll be editing everything outside of that circle. So I'll put the exposure down so that their faces are more of a brighter part of the photo, and I'll also put the highlights up just to brighten the trees a little bit. And you can up the saturation a little bit if you'd like to punch it up. You can bring it down if you'd like to make it less intense. It's up to you. This is where you kind of customize things. All right, so I like that. Sure, there's more that I can do, but I'll keep it simple. I'm gonna go into an 8x10 format because I think it looks better online. And you level the photo by using straight lines in the center. If you don't have them, you can approximate. Okay, and that is the before and after of my Make It Fall preset. This one's for free, but if you'd like to buy the rest, you can get 20% off with the coupon code FALL20. It not only applies to this preset pack, but to our other preset pack as well. And that one has technical presets included too. This one has a bunch of autumn tone colors, not just for autumn, but some of them are specific, like this one specific preset, and also mono and split if you want to try out black and white or split color. These are a really good jumping off point for that. I like Pumpkin Patch because the name's cute. I like Gritty Gourds too. Like, what? That's classic as heck. Okay, thank you so much. I'd like to see your finished photos using the Make It Fall preset. So if you want to share those to me, you can go to our hashtag on Instagram, which is Stunners on Insta. And if you tag your photo with that, I'll see it. I go through and look all the time. Thank you so much.